Hello friends, today we will learn how to subtract mixed fractions. Now see, again this is mixed fraction, so we have to convert it into improper first. So first multiply this and plus this. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 is 34 by 6 minus 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 6. Now see, their denominator are same, that is like fractions. In like fractions, what we will do, take the denominator as 6. Now subtract the numerator, 34 minus 13. What will be left? 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2 by 6. Now we have to write down the answer in lowest form. Now see, 21 and 6 will come in 3 table. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 3. So what will come? 3 7s are 21 and 6 is divisible by 3, that will come 2. 3 2s are 6. Now see, this is improper fraction. We must write improper fraction in mixed fraction. Now we will divide this 7 by 2. So we will divide 2 3s are 6. Now subtract, what is left? 1. Now how to write improper fraction in mixed fraction? The formula is QR by D. Now, what is your Q? This 3 is your Q quotient and this is your remainder and that is your divisor. So, what you will write? Q means 3, that is the whole number 3. And what is your remainder? That is 1. And what is your denominator? That is 2. Because its denominator and its denominator will be same. So, our answer will be 3 1 by 2. We have a short trick also to subtract. Now, follow the short trick. In short trick, what we will do, we will take the whole number first. This is whole number. Now 5 minus 2, that is 3. And now subtract the fraction from fraction. So 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6, that is 3 by 6. And now do it in lowest term. So this is divisible by 3 and 3. So what? 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 1 by 2. Now this is whole number answer and this is fraction answer. Now combine that. So our answer will be 3 1 and a half. So our answer will be 3 and a half. Now the answer is same in both the method. You can follow any method. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe.